In today's video, I'll teach you how to change category in Facebook page. First of all, launch open Facebook. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your page. So what you have to do is simply tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access your menu over here. Simply tap on your page name that you can see at top. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access your page over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this section for details. Tap on this option, see your about info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to edit your details over here. At top, you'll be able to find this option for category. So what you have to do is tap on the edit option that you can see right next to it. Now you'll be able to choose the category over here. You'll be able to find various categories. Tap on the category that you would like to use and tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your category will be changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the category. So that is how you change categories on Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.